Ki dekat ke state BJP balalam khamat do Presiden uba Ernest Mauri kin saya Kynduh yang Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Halor ke Shithi ke bakwa banyo Jingtip syapang ke Jingpen kelan yam Kristan bat ke Jingdon jong ki yeng mani Assam. Ulaya thu ya ki nong thok khubor henen ke sngi bola dep nyakren bat Menteri Rangba ke Assam ban penpau ya ke Jingsung khia Halor ke ni ke Shithi. Ubak Mauri ula ong ba usarma ula menjur ban ya Kynduh bat kinong yalam kaseng BJP na Meghalaya hadin bolon pai na ka jinglet Shithi bat cuti bat ki bahayeng jong u haka life way tarik no pra ban pensisha bat ban penkut no ya kani kamat. Habakam bakaseng kala shimkia Halor kani ka Shithi ula ong bakaseng kan dawa ban don da ka jingtoket ban lap ban nangno kani ka Shithi kawan.
In advance, wisely, you see election is election. So, this type of statement has to be refrained. What is my appeal to all the political party, especially for TMC? Don't play this religious card. I think all the leaders, I have discussed with the leaders of the Northeast state, even including the CM of Assam, he has given a statement, we want to live peace and harmony. I don't agree with all this statement given by the TMC. If there is such a thing take place, then the church leader from Assam they should concern. No? The statement should come from them.
Usim kahima khat ar lingdo